Chapter 13, Number 57. An observant fan at a baseball game notices that the radio commentators have lowered a microphone from their booth to just a few inches above the ground, as shown in the figure. The microphone is used to pick up sound from the field and from the team, and from the fans. The observant fan also notices that the microphone is slowly swinging back and forth like a simple pendulum. Using her digital watch, she finds that 10 complete oscillations take 60 seconds exactly. How high above the field is the radio booth, assuming the microphone and its cord can be treated as a simple pendulum? So we have, to sort of draw our picture now, we have a simple pendulum of length L moving back and forth. But we know that the period of a simple pendulum is 2 pi L over G square rooted. And what do we know? Well, we know that the time for 10 oscillations is 60 seconds. Which means that one oscillation, which is the period, is 1/10 of that, or 6.00 seconds. So we solve this other one up here, and we say, t squared is 4 pi squared L over G, and then L is gt squared over 4 pi squared, so it's 9.81 meters per second squared times the 6 seconds quantity squared over 4 pi squared, which is 8.9456 meters, which becomes 8.95 meters when we include our 3 sig figs that we have.